Today in this video, I will show you a way to post on Pinterest that saves you a lot of time. Ideal if you don't have enough time to just sit designing. To do this, I use ChatGPT. This is a prompt that I've used to design a few little pins. I've just put on Create Me 2, just for the purpose of this video, just to give you an idea how it's done. And then you just add a picture. This is the one that I designed earlier today in Canva, and just simply post that, and it should come back with a couple of examples that you can use. It's okay if you don't like them though, you can just ask it to create another couple or as many as you want. Sometimes I do 7, 10, basically just depends on however many that you want to post. I know Pinterest does expect you to post quite a lot daily. Prompt has now come back with these 2 images. So what I will do is save these 2 down so that I can use them on Pinterest. After you've saved the images, if you then go to your Pinterest account, I do have a business account, which is easier because it does allow you to post quite a few at a time, and it'll also let you schedule them. So you can just click on here, get your first image, and then if you go back to your ChatGPT, you can then ask for further information that you need. So in this case, a title. You can use just a prompt that says, can you please create me a title, a description and alt text, please, for Pinterest? And that'll put everything together, and this is what you get. So it's just a simple case of copy and pasting into Pinterest. So title, description, and alt text. Then from that, if you then go to your Etsy account and just select the link, post your link in there, and just put down what board you want it to be saved to as well. So in this case, it's a birthday invitation. To add another pin, you just simply click on that and select your second image. Go down to the next one, put in your title, description, and the alt text. And again, grab your link for your store, which is important because you do want to drive the traffic to your store from Pinterest. Once you've done that, you can publish them straight away, or you can schedule them for a later time or for another day, depending on what your preference is. So you can do these in bulk, as many as you want. Hope you found that useful as an idea of how to quickly post on Pinterest. Stay tuned for more how-to videos, and please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.